Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your ShareASale account promotions for higher revenue. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your ShareASale account promotions, first, log into your ShareASale account. Once logged in, navigate to the Merchants tab located in the main menu. Select the merchant you wish to promote from your list. Click on the Get Links button associated with that merchant. This will take you to the links and banners section for that merchant. Review the available promotions and offers. Choose the most relevant promotion that aligns with your audience. Copy the provided affiliate link for the selected promotion. Next, access the account menu from the main dashboard. Select Account Settings to update your account preferences. In the settings, look for the section labeled Tracking Links. Here, you can adjust your tracking links to ensure they are optimized. Consider using deep linking for specific product promotions. To do this, navigate back to the Merchants page and select a specific product. Copy the deep link and return to your promotion settings. Paste the deep link where appropriate in your promotional content. Now, let's enhance your promotion methods. Visit the Reports tab to analyze previous performance metrics. Identify which promotions yielded the highest conversions and revenues. Using this data, decide which promotions to prioritize. Create engaging content around these top-performing promotions. Ensure your content aligns with current trends and interests of your audience. After your content is ready, share it across your platforms. Monitor the performance of these updates regularly. Make adjustments as needed based on real-time data and feedback. This will help maximize your potential earnings on ShareASale. Continue refining your promotions for ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.